Hi babes, welcome back to my channel. My name's Eman. So for today's Sunday tutorial, I'm going to be showing you guys one of my favorite type of looks to do. This is an all nude makeup look, but this is a little bit special because it's a nude makeup look that's perfect for the summertime. So it's really all about beautiful glowing skin. And I'm also going to be showing you guys some of my favorite products from Neutrogena. Thank you to Neutrogena for sponsoring this video today. I'm starting with a bare face, and the first thing that I'm going to do is prep my skin with the Neutrogena Prep and Correct Primer. So these primers come in 3 different color correcting shades, but I'm going to be using 2 of them. The first one that I'm using is the Tone Correcting Primer. So this is a very lightweight, non-greasy formula. It's really silky and it's designed to even out your skin tone instantly and minimize the look of any imperfections. So you can see that the tone of it is really canceling out any of those uneven tones in my skin. And then over that, I'm using the Brightening Prep and Correct Primer. So this one is basically exactly what it says the name is. So this is going to give a little bit of brightness to my skin. I'm not applying this one all over. Instead, I'm just applying it in key areas. And this is going to be really great, especially if your skin is dull and it needs a little bit of luminosity. Using a brightening primer like this is going to really help bring back some of that light and glow to your skin. Next, I'm moving into foundation, and I'm using the Neutrogena Healthy Skin Liquid Makeup Foundation. So this foundation is perfect for summertime for several reasons. Number one, it has SPF 20 in it, which is an amazing little addition to have because you know we always want to protect our skin. This has a really beautiful luminous texture to it. So it has this very dewy finish, which just makes your skin look and feel so healthy. And I think that's what's so special about Neutrogena makeup. It's truly makeup with skincare benefits. So it's makeup that you use and over time it actually makes your skin healthier looking. So this foundation has a very lightweight feel to it, and you can get a really nice buildable coverage to get that beautiful flawless finish, but I love how natural it looks. It comes in 14 different shades. The shade that I'm using here, and keep in mind guys that I do have a spray tan, so I'm a little bit darker than usual, is shade number 85 Honey. I'm going to do a little bit of brightening and correcting under the eye area using the Neutrogena Brightening Eye Perfector. I really love the twist up on this pen, and the color is just great to just give a lot of light to the under eye area, especially if you have a lot of darkness there. This is a step you do not want to skip. To make sure my lips are super hydrated, I'm using the Neutrogena Hydra Boost Hydrating Lip Treatment. I love this stuff. It literally just makes your lips feel like butter. I decided to not powder my face, and instead I only set my under eye concealer with a little bit of powder because I've been really trying to stay away from powder lately. But I definitely used a bit of bronzer. I'm using the Neutrogena Natural Radiance Bronzer in the shade 30. This is one of my favorite drugstore bronzers. It's actually one of my favorite powder bronzers period because it's matte. It doesn't have any shimmer to it, so it's super easy to use, and it comes in different shades, and this shade right here, number 30, is the perfect shade for me, whether I'm kind of tan like this or even a little bit lighter. On top of that, I'm using one of my favorite blushes. It is the Healthy Skin blush in the color Flush. This is number 30, and it's this perfect, just like the name, flushed color. It gives your cheeks this really beautiful kind of pinky blush tone. It's so natural on. The combination of this bronzer and this blush are like 2 of my favorite combos for that really beautiful glowing look on your skin. To add a little bit of luminosity, I'm using the Neutrogena Hydra Boost Illuminator. This is going to give our skin that beautiful shimmery glow, and I'm adding this in all the key areas. I love that this is a twist up tube, so it's super easy to use. You could apply it straight from the tube or rub it on your fingers and apply it with your fingers onto your skin. And I really love to use this all over because it just gives your skin that beautiful kind of radiant finish in the most natural way. It looks so pretty on. You guys are going to love the lip for this look, and because it turned out so pretty, I'm using the Neutrogena Moisture Smooth color stick in the shade 20. This is the prettiest nude color, you guys. It is the perfect kind of nude peach. When you think of like a JLo nude, this is the exact color she wears all the time. And it's just so moisturizing on the lips, so it's the most comfortable thing to wear. On top of that, I'm also applying one of my favorite products from Neutrogena. It is their Hydra Boost Hydrating Lip Shine. These come in a bunch of different shades, and it was really hard to pick a lip color for this because I love all of them, but I decided to go with shade number 20, which is the perfect match to go with our nude lip. And it is so hydrating on the lips. So again, you have this gorgeous color that is just super, super comfortable to wear. This is one of my favorite nude lips to do. Since I want to keep this look very monochromatic all over because we're going for that super nude vibe, I decided to take that bronzer that we used earlier and apply it on my eyes. So just using a big fluffy brush, I'm sweeping this color across my crease, just kind of building it, going back and forth. And then when I feel like I have just enough color, I'm also taking my brush and sweeping it along my lower lash line just to give a little bit of shape and definition to my eyes. I'm taking the Neutrogena Hydra Boost Illuminator, the same one that we used earlier, but this time I'm using the shade Sandstone, which is more of a warm golden tone. It's the perfect little pop of shimmer to go on the eyes. And then for the lashes, I really wanted something just long and natural looking, so I'm using the Ardell Wispies number 113. These are just like a very natural lash, and they also have a bit of length. But before I throw those on, I'm using the Neutrogena Hydra Boost Plumping Mascara, which is actually one of my favorite mascaras because it gives your lashes so much volume, and it's waterproof, so I love it because I know it's not going to smudge or crease, and it's perfect for applying on your lower lashes as well because you don't have to worry about it smudging in that area at all. Once the lashes are on, I decided to go back with my illuminator and add just a little bit of highlighter in all of the key areas as the last final step. In the inner corner of my eyes, just add a little bit of pop down the bridge of my nose, on top of my cheekbone, underneath my brows. So basically just to give that beautiful overall glow to the skin. That is how I get my summer nude makeup look. I hope you guys love how this turned out. I personally love this look, and definitely one of my favorite things about using products from Neutrogena. It's makeup that does more for your skin. So it's not only beautiful makeup with beautiful results. On top of that, you're also getting skincare benefits, which nowadays, like, who doesn't want that? To see a list of everything that I used today, make sure you check out all the links in the description box below. If you guys have any questions, please leave them for me in the comments, or just let me know what you think of this look. And don't forget to hit that big red subscribe button if you're new, and add me on Instagram at Eman, and I will see you guys next time on a brand new Sunday tutorial.